Oh, wow. Minnow. First minnow to throw in.
I want to go show those guys.
That older man?
Yeah.
Go show him. Oh. Uh-oh. Number 3. We ain't even been here 30 minutes. Goodness. Yay. Number 3. In what? We've been here, what? 20 minutes? Huh?
This true turn hook is the true.
Awesome. Minnows on a bobber has caught 3 fish already. What kind of hook is it?
True turn hook.
And a bobber. Ooh. And he just lets it float right on down. Already? Oh, I see him. I see him swimming around it. No. Lord in heaven. That's 4. Oh, he got off. That was... The little minnow gets to swim some more. You know, you got to get it back out there in that spot.
Yeah.
Those rocks, I'm telling you. I picked this spot. Just say that on camera real quick. I picked it. And you just let the bobber float down there. Aw. It's just a little bit smaller. There's a glare I can't see too good. Yep. There's 2. those fish are like, this must be their season. Early to mid-June. Because today's just the 12th. Yeah, so first couple weeks of June, we know smallmouth are out and about.